Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Ben and Emma.
We are your essential English podcast for learning English the easy, practical, and fun way. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben. We are truly so happy you are here with us again today.
Ben, let me ask you, when you meet a foreign friend and they ask you, hey, what did you do over the weekend? What single answer do you dread the most?
I dread the answer, the conversation-killing answer. Nothing much. I just stayed at home. Because when someone says that, the conversation dies instantly. It stops right there. You have nowhere to go to keep talking.
You are so right. Small talk about the weekend is the first big social hurdle. If you only say nothing, you lose a wonderful chance for valuable speaking practice.
This episode, we give you 5 immediately useful conversation-starting templates for talking about your past or future weekend. Let's start with our core grammar point. This is very simple, but absolutely essential.
When talking about the last weekend, the weekend that finished yesterday, you must use the past tense.
You must use the past tense. Say it after us. I cooked. I watched. I went. These are all in the past.
When talking about the next weekend, the weekend that is coming soon, you use going to or will.
Say it slowly. I am going to cook. I will watch. Remember, past uses ed or irregular verbs. Future uses going to.
Let's start with the most common answer. You stayed home. Instead of the deadly word nothing, you need to be very, very specific.
Say this slowly, emphasizing the detail. I cooked a big meal for my family, and then I watched a lot of movies on Netflix.
Perfect. Your friend can now ask about the food or the movie. Future, next weekend. I am going to clean my whole apartment, the kitchen and the bedroom. If you went out with friends, this is the easiest one to talk about.
I met up with my friends. Met up with my friends for dinner on Saturday night. Met up with is much better and much more natural than just met.
I am going to hang out with my colleagues after work on Friday. Hang out is a great casual phrase for spending time with someone. Say it, hang out.
Use get together. Say it, get together. Or catch up. We need to catch up. C-A-T-C-H-U-P.
If you left your house, talk about the exciting place you went.
I went hiking on Sunday morning. Say it, went hiking. Or, I took a day trip to the beach. T-O-O-K, a day trip.
I am going to explore a new museum downtown. Downtown city area. Or, I will drive to the mountains to see the beautiful leaves change color.
Remember to use go plus V-I-N-G for activities. Go swimming, go camping, go shopping.
Use get some fresh air. Say it slowly, fresh air. Or hit the road.
Not all.
I finally finished that long English textbook I was reading. Or I took an online course on computer programming.
I am going to focus on my new painting project this weekend. F-O-C-U-S. Or I will practice my guitar for 3 full hours on Saturday.
Skill up. Say it. Skill up. Or make progress. I made good progress on my project.
This is a great, honest template. You can be specific about your necessary weekend work.
I spent the whole day, S-P-E-N-T, the whole day doing laundry and folding clothes. Or, I did a lot of yard work on Saturday. Yard work means taking care of the garden outside.
I am going to visit my parents this Sunday. I will take them coffee. Or, we have 5 great templates now. But Emma, what is the single secret to not killing the conversation?
The secret is the follow-up question. You must ask it back every time.
The two magic phrases are simple. How about you? And what about you? Use them after every answer to pass the conversation back.
Let's do a role play. Scenario: 2 colleagues on Monday morning.
Hi, Emma. Good morning. How was your weekend?
It was great, Ben. I took a day trip to the beach on Saturday with my family. We ate delicious seafood.
Wow, the beach sounds wonderful. What beach did you visit? And what seafood did you eat?
We went to Clearwater Beach. We had some fresh shrimp and fried fish. It was amazing. How about you, Ben? What did you do?
I didn't go to the beach. I met up with my friends for dinner on Saturday night. We tried a new Italian restaurant.
An Italian.
We gave you 5 templates and over 15 different ways to talk about your weekend. Remember, the core rule: be specific always.
Yes. Instead of nothing, say, I binge-watched a new show. Instead of I went out, say, I went hiking and got some fresh air. Your homework this week is to use one of the future tense templates to describe your next weekend. Write it in the comments below.
We will read every single one. Thank you for listening to English with Emma and Ben.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We will see you next week. Bye-bye.